He just wanted to tap the bowl, not start a full conversation. Bro messed with the wrong family. Someone tell him the ceiling isn't part of his territory. Bottom cat, I come in peace. Top cat, I don't care.
Shut up! No! No! Stop!
Bro opened the window and unlocked the feline multiverse.
¿Qué viste en la cabeza?
60 entre 80 kilómetros por hora. Y voló.
Mission: grab a tissue. Result: total destruction.
Do you want breakfast? Max, do you want breakfast? Do you want breakfast?
I'd like to be a peeping Tom if I can.
When you realize you're not alone, he's always watching.
Look, he is just always on 100 outside. Like, look at the chicken leg. Mwah. He just always wants smoke. As soon as we outside,
That's not a flower pot anymore. That's a nap zone.
He got his plate stuck on his face.
When the drink says open with care and he takes it personally. When you mess with the tail and instantly regret it. That's not a cage, that's his favorite fidget toy. Some cats chase lasers. This one chases hydration. You can literally see the soul leave his body after that lick.
Oh shit!
He jumped with 100% confidence and 0% plan.
Jesus Christ!
He looks both relaxed and terrified at the same time.
You jumped over these double baked potatoes.
Demands dinner.
That moment when your dreams exceed your jump height.